Kazakhstan against Australia in this preliminary bout in the super heavyweight division, men above 91 kilograms. Both of them boxed in the World Championships in Chicago last year. Both of them won their opening two contests and both lost in the quarter-finals, but it was only the semi-finalists who actually qualified. This is the Aussie from Bundaberg in Australia, lives in Gladstone. 24-year-old Dan Bihan. Oceania champion this year. That's how he qualified, having missed out in the Worlds. There is Mr. Bihan. His opponent across the ring is a Ruslán Mırsatаев. Kazakhstan against Australia. The Australian representative, Dan Bihan, in red. Big boxers from Slovakia and Serbia in the World Championships, but lost to the Chinese boxer in the quarter-final when he was stopped in the second round. So didn't qualify, had to win the Oceania Championship, which was held on Apia in Samoa earlier this year. One apiece. His opponent was a good shot. Good shot by his opponent, Ruslán Mırsatаев from Kazakhstan.
Yeah, right hand over the top, caught the Aussie off guard there. And again.
Well, Dan Bihan in serious danger of going out in the opening round, because remember, if it's 3-8 counts in one round or 4 overall, it's all over, and the referee may decide to stop it already, and he has stopped it already. Well, this is the quickest finish we've had. Less than a minute gone, 49 seconds and 2 right hands, and Dan Bihan of Australia has made a very ignominious exit from the boxing tournament here in Beijing. Didn't keep his guard up, and Mırsatаев, well, couldn't be more delighted if he'd won the gold medal. Even he, I think, was surprised by the speed at which he disposed of the 24-year-old Australian. Very unfortunate for Dan Bihan. He took 2 hard shots. Referee said that was enough, didn't want him to take any more. He could have gone on to see if he got a third, which would have meant automatic disqualification, but the referee stopped this in the first round.
Just got caught cold, didn't he, with the right hand, and then obviously that second right hand, and as the referee